How's it going, everyone? Today we're looking at End of Beginning by DJO. We're going to go through how you can play the chords for the song on guitar whilst going through the entire structure of the song and picking up on any cool musical concepts as we go along. So it's a really simple song in 4/4 time in the key of D major. And we start off with a bar of just drums before we kick into the verse. So in the verse we have the chords D major, A major, B minor, back to A major, and finish on D major. We repeat that and then we bring in this E minor, to A major, back to E minor, and then A major. So let's play through the verse with those chords. So that's the verse there. You see it's very simple, slow tempo, easy to get those changes in. All of the chords in this song are diatonic to the key, so they will all sound very pleasing and consistent throughout the song. Diatonic, of course, being all the notes used in those chords belong to the key signature. So then we move on to the first chorus, and we're introducing the G chord, which is the 4th chord of the D major scale, the subdominant. Offers that really nice transition into the chorus, makes you feel like you've entered a new space. So we go G to D to A, back to G, then B minor to A, back to G, D major to A, and then finish on that G major for 2 bars. When we're going to the B minor, that is just the relative minor of the D major, so we're just subbing out the D major for its relative minor, the B minor on the second round of the chorus. It just offers a more moody tone than the brighter, happier D major. There you have it. So verse 2 is the exact same as the first verse, so let's just play through that now. Now I should have mentioned verse 2 has a shortened end, so we only go to the E minor once and then to the A major for 2 bars. And that's the only difference between verse 1 and verse 2, it is slightly shorter. But when we go to chorus 2, that is the exact same as chorus 1, so let's play through that now. So then we go to the break in this song, or the middle 8 as they might call it. 2 chords, A major to B minor, so chords that we've already played in the song, but we're just shifting the tonal focus to the 5th degree of the key signature, which is the A, and it creates that real nice tension, difference from what's come before, so you feel again like you've entered this new space before we return for the end of the song. So let's play through the break. You're just alternating between A major and B minor.
So then we arrive at the final chorus and outro to the song. So the chorus
is the same as what's come before. Then we finish as we started with a cappella drums playing us out to the end of the song. There's one tiny difference with this chorus when we come in for the third round of the chords. So we go G, B, A, G, B, A. When we're returning back to that G for the third time, we put in this pickup chord, which is F sharp minor. So it's the first time this chord's been introduced in the song, and we go. So it comes in sort of on the and of the beat, so 1, 2, 3. So in the and of 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the only difference there, and it gives a nice punch when the drums and the rest of the instruments come back in. So let's play through that now. There we go, hope you enjoyed this video, hope you have learned how to play the song and you enjoy going on and exploring it further. Let me know what you think of the song, of this video in the comments, and let me know if you have any tips for me to improve my content so that it helps you on your guitar playing journey. Otherwise, I'll see you again for another video very soon. Thank you, have a great time playing.